Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mitopedia. My name is Mahavir and in this video, I will tell you about Meesho and how to earn money on the Meesho. Before going ahead, if you guys are new to my channel then don't forget to hit the subscribe button down and like and share the video. For those of you who don't know about Meesho then I will explain you about Meesho first. Meesho is a shopping platform which is purely based on the reselling strategy. It allows users to resell the products from its platform and then earn commission after each product. Then that particular commission is then transferred to user's wallet. User can then withdraw the money from the wallet to their respective bank accounts. Now let's jump directly into my phone and see the demo in action. Open Google Play Store and search for Meesho app. This is the app that we are looking for. As you guys can see, it has the rating of 4.4 stars and it has been downloaded 100 million plus times. On the banners, they have mentioned that shop for best quality fashion at the lowest price and you get free delivery, then you get cash on delivery option and you also get free returns option. They have also mentioned that get 30% off on your first order. Then they have mentioned that trusted and recommended by lakhs of Indians. Next, they have mentioned that they have 50 lakh plus styles and 650 plus categories. Currently, they are ranking number 1 in the shopping category. Guys, just for your knowledge, this is a reselling app that allows you to resell the products which are there on Meesho. Now, let's download it. After downloading, open the app. Once the app opens, we get a message saying, "Hi, I am Misha. Let's start your Meesho journey." And they allow us to select a gender, that is, whether we are female or male. You can also click on Setup Later. I'll click on Setup Later option. Then, on the main page of the app, we can see there are different categories. We get all the woman ethnic wears, then woman western wear, men's wear like winter wear, shorts, trousers, and others. We also get kids wear. Then we have home and kitchen appliances. We also have furnishing options on it, along with the home decor. This is how the app looks. They have also given their best sellers on the main screen along with the trending now. Now let's see how to create an account on Meesho. In order to create an account on Meesho, we need to click on the accounts button. Then there's an option to sign up. We can log in into Meesho using Truecaller or using a phone number. Enter your phone number and then click on send OTP option. Enter the OTP and verify your account. After that, your profile will be created. Then under account screen, we can update our bank account. Then under my payment screen, we can see all the payment that has been paid to us. Also, they allow us to set up our business logo. We can enter the name like I'll enter Mitopedia. and we need to click on the generate button. After that, multiple logos will be generated. We can select whichever logo that we like. After selecting the logo, click on the continue button. We can also change the fonts and we can also change the color of the logo. This logo will be shown on the packaging of the parcel which is sent to the users. Now let's see how to share a product or catalog and put a commission on top of it. Let's open kurtis. So these are the different kurtis that are there on Meesho. I'll select any one. As you guys can see, the MRP of this kurti is 393 rupees and they are giving rupees 98 discount on the first order. Currently, the only size available for this kurti is small. I need to select the small size. In order to share this product with your friends or your customers, you just need to click on the share button. Then you can share it via WhatsApp, Facebook page, Facebook groups, Facebook Marketplace, and also Telegram. If you have any other social media app, then you can also share over there. Once you click on the share button, you will get the product image along with the product description. Once a customer inquires about that particular product and wants to buy the product, then you need to click on the add to cart button. Next, select the size and the quantity. Like if a customer wants 2 as the quantity, then click 2. Then we will get the total price. Now let's click on the continue button. Next, we need to enter customer's name, phone number and complete address. Also, we need to enter the PIN code. Once you enter, click on the save address and continue. On the next screen, they have the payment method. We can select cash on delivery or phone pay or using the debit credit card or using the Paytm wallet. If you are buying this product for yourself, then under selling to a customer section, we need to click on the no. Or if you are selling to a customer, then you need to click on the yes option. Once you click on the yes option, you get a option to add your margin. On this product, I want to add 200 as the margin. So I need to add 200 on top of 882. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was informational. This is how we set the margin. Now
Before
I have
ending this
entered
video,
the
I would
MRP
like to
as
inform you guys that we
1200
are a
and we can
community,
see our
and to
margin
support
is
this
shown as
community, we need
rupees
subscribers.
318.
So please
This
go ahead and
margin
click the
will be
subscribe
given
button
to
down
us
and
after the
like and share
product
this
is
video.
delivered to the customer.
Thank you.
Then they also show the product details like product charges, delivery charges, COD charges, and the first order discount. Currently, they are giving free delivery, COD charges are also nil. And then click on the continue option. After that, your order will be placed and it will be shipped to your customer. On the packaging, Meesho's name will be not mentioned. The packaging will have your name and logo.